the generosity, moral conduct, and patience, perseverance, samadhi, meditation, perfection, wisdom. All those what we do in our day-to-day lifetime to maintain that which help to accumulate merit and the wisdom, that which also help is kind of result in this lifetime, kind of the positive result, whatever one wish to, kind of accomplish, kind of wealth and happiness and kind of good health and so forth, all depend upon that. But in Sudarana, it takes a long time to accumulate those. In the Vajrayana, very skillful method. That is why, for example, within the one row where you make that kind of mantra offering, that the thing is you visualize the whole complete deity assemblage. All the deity in front of oneself, which is the object of refuge, and that is what is called the deity mandala. And then we make that offering mandala is not just only little bit of flour, little bit of food, little bit of flowers, little bit of kind of the foods and candies and so on and so. It's not that where we visualize this whole complete universe, the container, everything visualize, and then at the same time one's own wealth and one's own virtues and one's own self and the wealth of the God, wealth of the Naka, whatever existing precious things in the world, one visualize and then kind of back that offering to the deity mandala. So that is why object is all enlightened being. There is no anybody higher and better object where one could make that offering. And then what one offer is not just kind of little bit, it's just almost like 3,000 mirrors of the world, kind of wealth and everything. Even oneself just making that offering. And that is all mentally done. When it is done, kind of you can imagine, for example, like you feel, making all those offerings, how great it is. And that part is the part of generosity. At the same time, kind of practice of letting go, not having that attachment, grasping, clinging, or my wealth, my things, myself. And that is the, whether you like it or not, it is the samsaric thing, which is related with the ignorance. So that is why these all have to kind of be what. So according to that, then we have this mandala offering that you all need to visualize in that way, and then do the mandala offering if you like. If not, okay.